Like right now on Amazon, I have my book. I can show you my books here, and I'll show you guys how to publish on Amazon. And this is one great way to become an authority, like an actual authority where people will like, you can book seminars, you can, build a whole business around it. So I have this book on Amazon. Oh, look at that. $125. The paperback is out of print. Oh, look at that. $935? What? These people are selling my book for $935? Nice. I need to print some of these puppies out. Bam. Isn't that insane? $935 for my book. It doesn't mean that somebody's going to buy it, though, just because they put the thing on there. I don't know, maybe someone will buy it. But yeah, maybe I need to print some of these and then put them on there myself. Some for like $100. And maybe I'll do like some signed copies, like, sign them and like, but yeah, I was able for this book, 5-star reviews. I can show you guys how to do this. And these are all legit. And, we can get a ton more of these. But then I have like Pranic Lifestyle. It's my other book. And I'm actually updating this book also. But here's the book. It's $25 every time somebody buys it in physical book form. And when they buy it, I make like $12 or something, or $15. Amazon prints it on demand, which means it does, the book is not sitting there. When they get the order, it's printed out and shipped for me all over the world. And I get checks every month from here. And then say here on the Kindle, they can get it instant. And I make, I can't remember. I think it's only like $9.99 normally, yeah, on there. I can't remember. But all of these, brings more people to me, right? Because it's all about, it has all my links in it. So it's like, brings them all back to my website, back to my opt-in, where they can get on that email sequence. So that's one, just a glimpse of like, what we do here. And then, you can easily make your presentations in PowerPoint. Yeah, but we'll show you more about that.